The angels are true spirits. Just as we are persons and spirits in body and soul, the angels are real as well. Kung totoo yung mga evil spirits, the good spirits are also very much real. And the Lord, in today's first reading, is already saying, no, I'm sending you an angel before you. Sa Old Testament. So, at again, just to remind us, dear Catholic Christians, about our belief in angels. Another very important benefit that you can always call on anytime. Hindi na nga natin mabilang, hindi natin napansin, kung ilang beses tayo sinagip ng ating mga guardian angels. Nakasurvive tayo kaya hindi natin nahalata. Pero that the guardian angels have been sent by God to be our guardian and guide. So, memorize before the Mass, we have the prayer to the guardian angels. Pag hindi pa ba natin yan ma-memorize, no? Every day, and especially in moments of danger, kapag magsisimula kayo ng biyahe, kung magdadrive kayo, no, always pray and ask the guardian angels. Kaya ngayong gospel, no, tungkol sa mga bata, and how the Lord, so what's the greatest? The greatest bata, because it's God who gives, who qualifies a person to be great. And sabi niya, kung palaging bata, paano tayong matatanda? Tinubuan na tayo ng sungay, wala na tayong guardian angels, kasi hindi na tayo tumatawag, no? So, kung ang mga bata, inaalagaan ng mga guardian angels, yung guardian angels mo hanggang ngayon kasama mo pa rin. So, to be aware of that. And do you remember, isa sa mga matatandaan ko, sinasabi sa aming mga bata, sa school at saka sa bahay, no, kapag gumawa daw ako ng masama, malulungkot ang aking guardian angels. Ba't nakalimutan natin yun? Ang aga naman nating nakalimot. Na kapag hindi tayo sumusunod sa ating konsyensya, gumagawa tayo ng masama, tayo pa namang mga malalaki ang karami-raming kasalanang nagagawa, ay umiiyak daw at nalulungkot ang guardian angels. Huwag kalimutan. Still, let us be children at heart, young at heart, with that belief. So balikan po natin yung very beautiful tradition. And mind you, unique to the Catholics, yung belief in the guardian angels. Kayo lang po, bilang mga Katoliko, ang may ganyang belief. So, ituro uli sa mga bata, ipaalala uli sa mga kasama nyo sa bahay at sa pamilya about the teachings about the guardian angels. And may the Lord always guide us and help us by the guardian angels. Only when we get to heaven, sana, makarating tayo sa langit, will we truly know yung gawa ng mga guardian angels. And I hope that when I get to heaven, I can thank them personally for their guidance while we were here on earth. Amen.